Certainly, in this tutorial, we will compare the performance of two popular game development libraries, raylib fork and pygame for Python. We'll create a simple example in both libraries to measure how they perform when rendering and updating a basic game loop. Overview of raylib and pygame. Raylib library for game development that is easy to use and provides a fast and efficient way to create 2D and 3D games. It is designed for simplicity and performance. Pygame, a Python library for creating video games. It provides functionality for graphics, sound, and input handling. While it is easier to use due to Python's simplicity, it may not perform as well as alternatives because of Python's interpreted nature. Setup raylib. You need to have an environment setup fork and raylib. You can follow the raylib installation guide at raylib.com for your platform. Pygame. You can install Pygame using pip bash pip install Pygame performance comparison example. We'll create a simple example that renders a moving square on the screen and measures the time taken to update and render each frame. Raylib example. Include raylib, include UEOstream, include chrono int main constant screen width 800 constant screen height 600 init window screen width screen height. Raylib example setter gets 60 vector to position screen width 2 screen height vector to speed 5.0 3.0 while window should close measure frame time auto start chrono high resolution clock now update position x speed status position speed if position x screen width position plus 0 speed position we well. Climate resources you prove the only ability to produce a solution to social services of zero solution to social prove highway I agree to produce highway closely highway Clever, 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 you, bio, clever, 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 you, bio, clever, 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 you, bio, clever, to, clever, 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 you, clever, clever, view, clock running true while running start time for event in pygame. Event get if event type pygame while run net for and event Quit running false update position 0 speed 0 position 1 speed 1 if position 0 screen width or position 0 0 speed 0 1 if position 1 screen height or position 1 0 speed 1 1 draw screen fill 255 pygame draw rect screen 255 0 position 0 Position 1, 50-50 pygame. Display flip frame rayu su. Clock. Tick 60 measure frame 2. Su zu zu. Su. Su 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 su. Su su su. Bu su su zu bu su. Bu su su zu. Bu zu zu. Su fu bu you bu su. Boo 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 run so 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 boo boo so boo you so so boo boo rio boo boo zio boo you 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 way you boo 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 you boo boo zo zo you boo you well, you there? Well, you, fiddle you, pill, well, you, well, you, where you, compile and run the raylib example. Make sure you have raylib linked correctly in your project. Run the Python pygame example using Python. Performance comparison. When you run both examples, you will see output indicating the frame time for each frame rendered. Here are a few points to consider. Raylib will generally have lower frame times faster because it is compiled and runs closer to the hardware. Python pygame may have higher frame times due to the overhead of the Python interpreter. Conclusion. In general, Qt raylib will outperform Python with pygame in terms of speed due to the differences in how the languages are executed. However, pygame is often preferred for rapid prototyping and simpler projects because of Python's ease of use. When choosing between the two, consider the complexity of your project, your familiarity with the languages, and the performance requirements.